Zoe! How are you, Zoe? Namin. Ano, baby Zoe? Ano? Hindi pa ba tayo mag-sleep? Opo, antok na si Mami. I-sleep na tayo. Ha? Si Ate Elisha, she is sleeping. Pero si Baby Zoe, wake up po. Ha? Wake up? Wake up. Oh. What did you do the whole day? What? Mommy, I drink my milk. Oho, ang bait ah. Opo. Yes. Oh, naiintindihan ni Mommy yun ah. Oh, ang dami naman story ni Baby. Ang dami niyang tell kay Mommy. Oh, how are you, Baby? Baby, how are you? I-sleep na ba tayo? Nak, sleep na tayo. Zoe. Hello. Ano yan? Huh? You want to drink your milk? Drink again? Again? Oh. Yes. Oh. Drink your Mommy. I want to drink my milk. Sleep na tayo. Love na Mommy. Mommy. Oh, Mommy. Mommy. Sleep na tayo. Tama na usap. Love you. I love you, Baby Zoe. I love you. Oh, I love you too, Mommy. Oh.